You want to design food flyers that sells? In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step on how I created this spicy burger flyer using Photoshop from scratch, everything. So stay with me to the end of this tutorial. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Yeah, so from the intro already, I've showed you guys the flyer. So this is the flyer. I'm going to show you how I created it. So I'm going to create a new file. The size, the width, I'm going to set it to 1080, the height to 1350, then the resolution to 300, then 16 bits. Let me cancel this. So wait for okay. Let's adjust everything. Make this black. And yeah, so first of all, we're going to create a background. During that, we're going to create a solid color, and then the color code for that is 7C0505, a very dark red. Then after doing that, I'm going to bring in this background image, this. Then I'm going to change the blending mode. It's not going to be like as bright as this, so I don't want it too bright. So yeah, then I'm going to change the blending mode to add light, then add a little bit of blur effect to it, Gaussian blur. Then the radius, I'm going to set it to 2.5, then add a little bit of contrast to it because I don't want it to be that obvious. I want it to be as like to show as a watermark, yeah, not that visible. So the next thing, I'm going to type a text hot. So the color code for the text color is WF9F20. So let me choose a better font. And yeah, every material I use in this tutorial video will be available for you guys. The link in the description, so just check the description for the material, download it, and then follow the tutorial. Yeah, so I'm going to reduce the whole size. Yeah, don't mind the minute of the video. Actually, I don't want to cut anything, so make sure you watch to the end so that you will get the same result I'm getting. So yeah, so I'm going to place this at the center, then reduce the size a bit, it's too big. Then yeah, I'm going to centralize it. Then I'm going to duplicate it twice. So I will duplicate this one, place it on top of it, then duplicate it again, place it down. So to be the get. So yeah, and then I'm going to reduce the opacity. I can't make it bold like this. I'm going to reduce the opacity to 51. You can make yours 50, there's no problem. 51, you still get the same result. So to serve as a watermark too, that's what I'm trying to do. So 51, yeah. Then after doing that, then I'm going to bring in this sliced pepper image that I downloaded. So let's bring it in. I'm going to it should look like this. I can't leave it. It can never be like this. I don't want to be like it to be like that. So I'm going to tilt it, then still tilt it a bit to look slant, because I want that sliced part to show very well. So I'm going to bring this down. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's bring it down to the center. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. So I'm going to add a motion blur effect to it. just a little bit of motion blur. So the distance, I'm going to set it to 23. Then yeah, I'm going to set, click on OK. So I'm going to click on this motion effect layer, then select on my brush tool, then my flow, I'm going to set it to 15. It's already at 15 already. Then make sure your foreground is on black. So and then I'm going to use my brush tool to clear the effect, the motion blur effect itself by the side like this. Just to give like a reflective how do you call it, effect on that image. So then I'm going to bring in the main image, that is the burger. So if you listen to my intro, I said the spicy burger flyer. So this, obviously this, I'm going to bring in this burger image. Then I'm going to centralize it. So centralize it, yeah. And then let me see. Okay, just trying to save it. Then I'm going to bring in this this fire effects, because spicy, when you say something spicy, it's very hot. And then yeah, surely we are going to bring in a fire effect, fire image to represent that. So I'm going to change the blending mode to screen, then add change the hue and saturation. So the hue, I'm going to set it to -10, and then the saturation to 100 completely. So yeah, you can see our flyer is already even taking shape already, is already bringing out the beauty already. So then after doing that, I'm going to bring in this shape, this custom shape. Yeah, I'm going to change the color. I'll select on colorize, then set my saturation to 200, and then my hue to 61. I'm still going to adjust this lightness, it's not bringing out the color, so I'm going to drag it backward to around that -44, because I want it to have like a yellow color. So let's still adjust the hue back. So hue 61, yeah, perfect. So this is the color I want. So I'm going to reduce the size in this. The reason why I'm bringing this custom shape, on your flyer you must have the price of of what you are trying to sell. So yeah, on that, so I'm going to write the price, so any price. So I want to sell make this what do you call it, have a price. So just trying to select my font to a nice font. Yeah, so I'm going to so there's something going on. So this hot text I wrote at the beginning, I'm going to group everything, what's going on. So I'm going to group everything, then turn off the layer of that of it first, then write my text that I want to. So I have to go back again, select the color and the font I choose. Okay, yeah. Then I'm going to type price, then the price itself. So yeah, I'm going to reduce the size, not too small anyway, does. Yeah, so it's going to be here. Let's increase the stuff, and then Okay, just saying it anyway. So I'm going to duplicate it, then write the price itself. So it's going to be $3. I'm going to make my own price to be $3 since burger is a fast what do you call it, food. So let's change this. Let me change this so I don't want it to have the same font with the one with the price. So I'm going to increase this to be more bolder than the text price to get. So yeah, then I'm going to select it's too close to the top, it's too thing. So I'm going to select the whole thing. So let me select the whole thing. It's too shifted up. Let's see. Okay, let me select this, but let's wait first. Then this logo, obviously I'm going to add my logo, the company logo. So I just found this logo also, burger, and I'm going to drag it to the center on top. Then it's already centralized anyway, just to come. Okay, yeah, it's already centralized, so I cannot leave it. I want my logo to show very well, so I'm going to add a color overlay to it, reset to default. Then the color, I'm going to make it to be the same color of that price tag, yellow. So then I'm going to centralize, turn on my auth. Wow, this is so nice. Yeah, so I'm going to drag this down, resize it, the text auth very well, then centralize it since we've edited it now, so we have to centralize it. Yeah, so this particular custom shape and everything on top of it, I'm going to bring it down a bit. It's too close to that burger stuff, so I'm going to drag it down. Just drag it down. Yeah, so it's okay like this. Then place this up. To the side. Just doing some little adjustment anyway. Yeah, so now you want people to order your product, so we have to say order now, and then the many and where to contact and to order. Yeah, so that's what I'm just basically left with. So I'm just going to use a very nice font to type order now. So I'm going to make that white. I cannot make it orange or yellow. That the yellow on the flyer, everything, the color will be balanced together. So it's still doing the same thing. Okay, so I have to turn off the auth text first, then type in that. So I'm going to type, change the font back to what we selected. Let me scroll down. Where is this font? Okay, I've seen it. Then I'm going to change it to white color. Then order now. Type order now. Don't worry about this stuff. I'm still going to resize it. So if it's showing like that on your own screen, on your own end, so just type whatever you want to type. Then when you are done, click on enter, then select your move tool to resize it. Yeah, that's just basically it. And I'm still going to reduce this to use it. Okay, yeah. Then I'm going to, the spacing is -10. Anyway, the font has its own spacing automatically, so there's no need for that. Yeah, so I'm going to centralize it. make the whole thing balance. Then I'm going to shift it up now. So after you've said order now, now where we do the contact info, that's what we want to write, contact info. So I'm going to add a type in contact info, an email. It's not a real email anyway, just a fictional email, but it can be real anyway, I don't know. So I'm going to resize this one, this contact. Then this contact, we are going to do a color balance something here. This contact info, we are going to make it to have a different color. Then the email itself, we are going to make it to color white. Yeah, so this contact info, I'm going to, let's add the semicolon, then write the whole thing first. spicyburger@gmail.com. Yeah, so from this semicolon to down to the contact info, we're going to change the color to yellow. So yeah, FF E400. So it will be like this, have this kind of yellow, then leave the email address to white, then reduce the whole thing. That's what's, wow, this is so nice, even without adding the alt effect and everything. This is very simple, and yeah, the flyer will definitely sell. So I'm going to increase this order now, then select both text. Let me drag it down. So it does make the flyer simple. It's not necessarily, when you are designing a flyer, it's not necessarily you make the whole thing jam-packed together. No, make it simple, sharp, yeah, and yeah, your flyer is good to go. So let's place this up. So I'm going to turn back that hot watermark. Yeah, wow, this is very nice. You can see we're done with the flyer already. So yeah, that's basically how to design a food flyer design here on Photoshop. So if you like this tutorial, if you learn one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another tutorial, and also share this video so that YouTube algorithm we show it to more people who are struggling to design a very professional food flyer, yeah, using Photoshop. So see you in my next tutorial. Yeah, and also you can tell me what tutorial video you want me to do next, which tutorial video you want me to do next, yeah, in the comment section. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye.